All right, good morning, guys. Welcome in. North Sale, what's up? Peter, what's up? Morgan, what's up? Crystal Ball, UPXI, yep. UPXI, yeah, doing pretty well here in the UXPI, up about, what is that, 267%. So, looking pretty nice. Not quite blue skies, but I think we can see something here. It looks like the news is UPXI announced shareholder issue post-reverse stock split with 220K shares requested. Legal review underway for potential manipulation. So potential manipulation, I don't say lawsuit, but legal review, and it's up on that. So, not quite like positive news, but it is news nonetheless, and we are moving up. So it's giving volatility, it's giving action, giving opportunities. So we are going to probably trade it at the open. So this would be the third pullback. It's rare for the third pullback to continue higher like it did this strong in the past. So maybe we see a pullback here, back down under 10, consolidate somewhere in this area for a potential curl. That's what I'm kind of thinking. GM, good morning. Edison, what's up? Potential for big moves or dump with EDBL. SEC filing of delisting same time as positive catalyst. Okay, we can take a look at EDBL as well. GM, good morning. What's up? Crystal Ball, I don't count the chart history after reverse split. Interesting. Why don't you count the chart history after reverse splits? Usually, everything is adjusted. And yeah, I mean, people who bought back in here, they're still holding, so their level could be still holding. So, these level would still be useful to know. Nothing really would change other than the floats and the stock, but it's a relative change though, not an absolute change. Don Juan, good morning. All right, what's up? So yeah, UPXI, maybe we can break out here of these previous highs here around 1180, maybe moving up to 1420 and breaking out. These are some decent targets here we can probably take a look at for the potential run here. A continuation on UPXI. What's the float on this? Dilution tracker, UPXI. This one has a float of 760K, so 760,000 shares. It's very, very small. And what we know about a very, very small float is that the supply is limited and potential demand could be completely outsize the supply, and we can see a massive imbalance causing a huge move, which is what we've already seen. But we've seen stocks go from 3 to, drug went from $2 or what is it, 40 cents maybe, I forget, but all the way up to $60, $70 a share. And we've seen other stocks as well go from 3 to 10 or 3 to 20, 3 to 30. So you've been seeing some big moves. So it still could be early in opportunities here on UPXI. I hope it's not. I hope the move has not already passed, and that we'll see some more. But only time will tell. Next leading gapper here is ELAB. ELAB up 58%. What's the float on this? I think it's a little bit bigger. 37 million share float. It's a bit big. It's a cheap stock. A little bit too cheap for me, actually. So I don't really like ELAB that much. It's just too cheap, and the floats are really high too. Hawk, good morning. Welcome in. What's up, Hawk? Crystal Ball says ATNF. Let's take a look. ATNF, wow, is just mooning right now. ATNF is mooning. Did have a previously huge move last month. Looks like Elray Resources completes sale of proprietary technology to 180 Life Sciences to assist in launch of iGaming blockchain casino. An iGaming blockchain casino. That's very, very interesting. I like that. I wonder what that is. But yeah, ATNF. Maybe we can see a move on ATNF. It's a bottom bounce after a previously parabolic move. Maybe we can break some of these pivots here, which we've already been kind of breaking. We have a topping tail all the way up to 8. So maybe we can make a move up to 8. Maybe we can make a move here up to 8. Maybe 8's the line in the sand here for ATNF. I know this one has a very small float. 1.9 million. 1.9 million on ATNF. UAVS with a 800K float. That's right, yeah. UAVS gave a pretty decent move yesterday, right? Or the day before. I don't know, one of those days, and they gave a really good move. BMTX hitting the scan. Low volume though. What's up with BMTX? BMTX. BMTX. Nah, this one looks like a buyout. ATNF, not bad. Not bad. It did hold up that dip very well there. So it has news. It's got about a 2 million share float. We got a clear level there at 8. I would like to see a little bit of a consolidation here. I don't want to just rip all the way up to 8. I want to see some price action, some dips, some consolidation here until they open. Maybe right around, 540, 530s could be a good dip entry. Interesting. We got a little bit of a high day rejection coming down here to 540, high volume, high relative volume. Is it gonna hold up this dip? The 5 minutes, could use a little bit of a consolidation. Yeah, so it looks like that dip was correct there, right around 540. Maybe I need to get back into pre-market trading. Maybe I need to get back into pre-market trading. It's never as smooth as I think it is, I always find myself like, here we come. Here we're coming down here again. Oof, man. 520. 520. I mean, a 5 minute still looks good. If we take a look at the 5 minutes, it's still holding a pullback relatively well here. Even though on the 1 minute it's pretty nasty. So maybe we base out around here. 530s, like I said. 530s, 540. What do you guys like here for the open? I mean, UPXI, of course. I mean, you kind of have to watch this after he made this big move. Yeah, I said it was going to come back down here to around VWAP or so. So maybe I have one more little leg down, consolidate here for the open. But now I like ATNF. Like, I like ATNF because it's real early in the move too. I mean, I guess UPXI started at 840, so it is kind of early too. But you know, ATNF just started maybe about 5 minutes ago. Dude, very nice dip, man. Wow. I should be trading pre-market. I should get back into pre-market trading. I would have definitely taken that. I feel like I would have definitely taken that. However, the volume is still a little bit lagging behind here. So maybe we see another dip here for another higher low maybe. I trade pre-market with Charles Schwab floating order, slow execution to order not filling. Yeah, I mean, that happens to me a lot. I mean, like I'm coming in with the idea of trading pre-market, you know, it sounds like it's just gonna be smooth, but it's definitely not smooth. Like floating orders, or like you cancel an order and then you get filled 5 seconds later. You know, chasing the bid, like you're trying to get out on the bid and you're still not getting filled. And the bid's going lower and lower and lower and lower. You're just doing bid cancel, bid cancel, sell bid cancel, sell bid cancel, and then you finally get filled, and then it bounces, and then, well, I don't know. I mean, you definitely get sloppy. So ATNF, nice bounce there, crazy bounce. This is a good sign. This is a good sign. Yeah, Ross pretty much only trades pre-market. Yeah, with Lightspeed, it's kind of like really good for pre-market trading. Wow, crazy move here, ATNF. Very nice. Can we break 650? Can we do a little micro pullback here and break 650? So you got about what, 10 minutes? 10 minutes to the open. A quick 10-cent trade there on small size. Let's see if I can get under. Let's see if I can get closer to 6. Ah, man, that was it. 613 was it. 613 was it. Let's see if we can get under 613 here. Or 608, actually. ATNF, would you take the first candle, make a new high? Didn't high value selling on 1 minute. No, I wouldn't trade. I wouldn't buy here. I would have bought down here on the dip. Can we get sub 6? Okay. Okay. Oh man, 6 held. 602, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Selling on the ass there. 610. Come on, can we get filled? Okay, another nice little 10-cent trade there. $5.99 was the low, right? $5.99 was the low. Can you bounce? No, coming lower here. Wow, good thing I sold there, break even. That would have been a 20-cent loss. I saw holding $5.99. I wanted to see that immediate bounce. Once I didn't see that immediate bounce, got out break even. How low are we going? Watching for KXN reverse split move today. Yeah, KXAN, that's a automotive company, right? Yeah, I don't see any volume on it. I'm not gonna trade it. KXAN. So nice little $10. Made a nice $10 here pre-market. A good little warm-up trade. Good little warm-up trade. Not bad. First 1 minute dip. Took another dip here under 6. But we didn't get that push back to the highs there at 650. So quite unfortunate that we're now coming back to these previous levels. We didn't hold up any of this big move that we just made. So I wonder what's going to happen here at the open. A little bit of bearish, you know, a little bit bearish here coming into the open. I'm not going to trade this dip. Maybe at the market open, like if it was the market was open, I would probably maybe fish for a bottom here, but pre-market could be tough to get out in time if it doesn't work. I'm guessing you're not a breakout trader. I don't know if I would say that, but yeah, I like to focus on dips. Yeah, that was a nice fishing for the dip. I was gonna fish it though around 50. It did come down to 42. I feel like I would have stopped out there at 42. Triad, do you have your own Discord? I do, but I'm not really active in it. But if you have any questions, yeah, you can post it there. I can get to it pretty quickly. It's not really like active. It's just like if anyone posts a question, I'll answer it. But it should be. Let's see if I can post a link maybe for you. So we got about 5 minutes here. Damn, ATNF did not hold that dip, huh? Yeah, I think that ATNF may be it could be backside. It really could be. It sold off pretty fast from those highs. All right, I'm going to post a link for you here in the chat. This thing could load. I don't know why it's taking forever.
Wix gives you the freedom to tell your story. With a professional
is that music? I don't know if you could hear that. I was looking at ads on my own videos. But the chat is not opening. I don't even know how to post in the chat. Jesus. Thanks for another stream, bro. Yeah, thanks for tuning in, Sync. It's always good to have you. Yeah, I don't know how to post this link here. The chat's not showing up. Wait, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. All right, that's the link to the Discord. Whoever joins, I'll just make you, I'll just like kind of put you in. You don't have to like go through the whole like access guide. Since I know you're real. I only had the access guide just so, because I was getting so many bots. Like these bots would just join in and then just start spamming the chat. So I had to have some sort of like, some kind of like access wall. But yeah, ATNF pulling back under VWAP here, definitely not good for, you know, opening range. Maybe it's best for UPXI to be focused on this one. It's over VWAP and it's still kind of like holding like a trend here above this previous high. So maybe we see something on UPXI, maybe a dip and rip, maybe a trap under VWAP for a potential retest of the highs. But maybe ATNF, if it can get back over VWAP and start to inch over about around 6, then maybe I can look for the next leg. All right, so good luck, guys. Follow your rules. ELAB running. Let me take a look. Yeah, ELAB is inching up too, so maybe I'll watch that as well. UPXI, the Six Flag stock. All right, good luck. Follow your rules, and I'll